Shifting focus now, hot inflation and cooling consumer spending are trends that are likely to be intensified by President Donald Trump's aggressive moves on tariffs and government spending cuts. Stagflation fears are rising globally and in the US and will constrain the Federal Reserve's ability to cut rates further. Our next report telling you more.
The new week is going to be hectic. With 25% tariffs announced on foreign steel and aluminium, now extended to 25% levy on autos investors. Look for what else is subject to taxes on Liberation Day. This is when reciprocal tariffs will be announced on countries that have cheated America and will be in addition to the already announced measures. The crux of this issue is that US exports are hit by higher tariffs abroad than the equivalent foreign goods entering America. Reciprocal tariffs. Deal with this, in theory, by matching American tariffs on a product-by-product and country-by-country basis. But that's hideously complicated to do in practice. These reciprocal tariffs could be longer lasting than the measures we've seen so far. The US administration desperately needs the revenue. For that, some tariffs have to end up sticking, and that's more likely to happen for countries with long-running and sizable trade deficits. Global markets have taken the brunt of Trump's tariffs so far. World stocks have started to fall again, and investors are quickly recognizing that Trump is more tolerant of market weakness this time. Stock market weakness still looks like one of the more obvious trigger points for tariff de-escalation. Big tariffs also should mean a stronger dollar. But it was striking how little the surprise announcement of 25% auto tariffs impacted FX markets. Either that says tariffs are basically baked into markets now, or investors don't think they'll last. Higher inflation is clearly bad news for consumers. Unsurprisingly, confidence is falling. But does that weaker sentiment map across to the hard economic data? The Fed is skeptical. American consumers don't like tariffs. For Europe, Trump's trade war is a much bigger deal for the 2025 growth outlook than the increase in defense spending. For emerging market nations, the risk is bigger. So, all eyes are on April 2nd to see what will be announced. Business Bureau, WION World is One.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.